Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discussing about envelope clutch bags. Envelope clutch bags are a versatile and timeless accessory that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. These thick handbags, typically designed in a rectangular shape resembling an envelope, come in a wide array of colors to suit every taste and occasion. One of the most appealing features of envelope clutch bags is their versatility. They are available in a plethora of colors, making it easy for fashion conscious individuals to find the perfect match for their ensemble. From classic black and elegant white to bold reds, vibrant blues, and soft pastels, there is a color to suit every mood and style. For formal events, a classic black envelope clutch executes timeless elegance and pairs seamlessly with a little black dress or a tailored suit. On the other hand, a bright red or royal blue clutches adds a pop of color and drama to a monochromatic outfit, making it an excellent choice for a night out on the town. For formal events, a classic black envelope clutch executes timeless elegance and pairs seamlessly with a little black dress or a tailored suit. For a more casual look, envelope clutch bags in pastel shades such as bluish pink or mint green are perfect for spring and summer occasions. These softer complement floral dresses, linen pants, or denim jeans effortlessly. Materials play a significant role in the versatility of envelope clutch bags. Leather options offer durability and a luxurious finish with while fabric clutches can be playful addition to a casual outfit. Additionally, embellishments like studs, sequins or embroidery can add a touch of glamour and make a statement. So we hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please share this video, comment this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the instant updates. So like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.